Now, now we're going to model our beam column. Okay, this is our frame. This is a grid. Just I will change one grid here so that we can draw it easily. Okay, I'll go to edit, restoring grid, modify into grid, and display grid space. I will add. I'll add one more here, which is 7 feet, 7 feet, 10 inch, 10 inch. It will change in meter itself. Next one will be 4 feet 6 inch, 4 feet 6 inch. Okay, okay, okay. And here we get. Now I'm going to draw the um, beam. First I'll draw the column. Okay, I'll go to down. Slide, slide. Okay, so it will be easy for me to draw. Okay, I will go to level 3. I'll start to draw the column. Sorry, column. Here we can see our column layout. I'll just draw it very fast. Okay, blue. Here we have, here we have, and here we have. I'll draw in beam also. Too easy. Beam also. Here, 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 here. On the grid, grid, or we have also. I'll just draw it where we don't need here. Do we need? We don't need right now here. That's it. We don't need here. And if I draw by this, it will our beam will break down. So we will use the line frame command, and I will draw by. I'll click here to here. It will be, and next I'll draw this one here to here. This is our we had drawn for the story one. The next story, same I'll do. I'll do the column. You can draw how you can like draw it. I'm I'm going to draw simultaneously, like I'll draw everything. It's not if I draw here, it will connect here. So I don't need this part. So I just require in here, here, and this two portion I'll draw here to here and here to here. This is for second story. Now go to third. Similarly, I'll draw clicking here, here, and here. हेलो माथि बसेर
किनभने बिजी थिएन
अँ
तिमी जान्न सक्छौ किनभने बिजी छैन
अँ
अनि त्यसपछि मान्छे नि धेरै छ मैले तँलाई अरूभन्दा धेरै आवाज दिएको छु
अँ
अरूलाई मैले घट्न मिल्दैन त निस्किन्छस् भनेर भन्यो मैले नि हुन्छ ल ठिकै छ भने अनि निस्किदिएँ
ए ल ल
6:30 निस्किदिएँ
ल
ल आउँदैछ अनि भोलि मैले अफ राखेको छु बेबी
किन
तिम्रो अफ भने होइन
अँ
त्यही भएर किन मैले अफ राख्नु हुँदैन
हुन्छ
पर्सि मैले स्वप गरेको के सिफ्ट
ए ल
पर्सि अफ थियो नि त मेरो अनि पर्सि चाहिँ 9 8 to 8 गर्ने भोलि बनाएको छु अनि म आउँदैछु गर्नु छ तिमीसँग म निस्किएँ घर यहाँ नयाँबाट गाडी चढेर हार्लिङटन कर्नरमा आएपछि कल गर्छु ल
ल ल okay then now I'll draw the okay I'll draw the beam for this one. Just drag it, it will draw here, then I'll click here, 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 and here, and here, and here. So this is for next step. For next, we have let's go to the stop. Okay, so I got the, for next step we are using on the roof cover. Then next, I'll model only the roof cover it. Okay, then I'll go to the next here. I'll draw this two. I'll draw this two, and we have here. And then I'll go to beam and select the by grid. Then I'll click here. Okay. Uh, this is our beam column, and if you go to the base, we are using here is our column. We are going to assign the joint at resistant fixed apply, and we can see in our 3D that it is already fixed, and I will just save it.
गरिसकेका छौँ जस्ट मोडल गर्नुपर्ने हो सिलेक्ट गरौँ यसलाई क्विक कोलुमलाई अब यता मात्र सिलेक्ट गरेर 3D मा हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ हाम्रो एरेन्जमेन्ट फ्रेमको एरेन्जमेन्ट भइसकेको छ तपाईहरुले यसलाई अझै डिटेलमा बुझ्न चाहनुहुन्छ मेरो छुट्टै भिडियो छ तपाईहरुले त्यसबाट सिक्न सक्नुहुन्छ अब यो बेसमा चाहिँ जोइन्ट सपोर्ट दिउँ फिक्स सपोर्ट हुन्छ किनभने यो गएर फुटिङमा अट्याच हुने हो त्यही भएर चाहिँ यसलाई हामीलाई फिक्स सपोर्ट दिएर जोइन्ट टाइप असाइन गर्न सकिन्छ र अब एकचोटि प्लानमा हेरौँ त्यहाँ केही प्रोजेक्सनहरू पनि छ हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ यता स्ल्याबको प्रोजेक्सन छ त्यो स्ल्याबलाई पनि हामीले बिममा रेस्ट गराउने प्रपोज गरेका छौँ त्यही भएर त्यो पोइन्टमा चाहिँ बिम प्रोजेक्सन दिन्छौँ क्यान्टिलिभर बिम जसरी अब यो कसरी गर्ने त त्यो पनि हेरौँ अब यो प्रोजेक्सन 1 पोइन्ट सेन्टरबाट गर्नेछौँ किनभने हाम्रो ग्रिड त्यो अनुसार फर्म भएको छ अब यो डिस्टेन्स कति छ त 1 पोइन्ट ओके 1.219 मिटर छ अब यतिको हामीले एक्सटेन्सन दिन सक्छौँ एक्सट्रुड गरेर अब यो पनि एउटा फङ्सन तपाईहरुलाई म सिकाउन चाहन्छु त्यही भएर यसलाई मैले चाहिँ यसमा राख्दैछु अब के हुन्छ त यो पोइन्टमा आउनुस् र जतिवटा पोइन्टबाट हामीलाई बिम दिनु छ त्यो पोइन्टहरु सिलेक्ट गर्नुस् हैन यसमा हामीले फ्रेम सिलेक्ट गर्दा पनि केही हुँदैन यसरी डाइरेक्ट म तपाईहरुलाई देखाउँछु यसरी सबै सिलेक्ट गर्दाखेरि पनि केही प्रब्लम हुँदैन किनभने हामीले पोइन्टलाई मात्र प्रोजेक्ट गर्ने हो र यसले पोइन्टलाई मात्र प्रोजेक्ट गर्छ है त फ्रेमहरु प्रोजेक्ट हुँदैन जस्तो अब इडिटमा जानुस् यहाँनिर तपाईले एक्सट्रुडमा देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ एक्सट्रुड जोइन्ट्स टु फ्रेम अब हामीले यहाँनिर जोइन्टलाई मात्र गर्दैछौँ पोइन्टलाई मात्र गर्दैछौँ त्यही भएर केही फरक पर्दैन एउटा मात्र हो इन वान डिरेक्सन सो नम्बर 1 एउटा हुन्छ र वाइ डिरेक्सनमा प्रोजेक्ट हुँदैछ त्यही भएर dy कतिको छ त 1.22 है त 1.219 थियो राउन्ड अप गर्दा 1.22 अब अप्लाई गरिदिनुस् त्यो प्रोजेक्ट भइसक्यो र प्रोजेक्ट भइसकेपछि त्यो फ्रेमको चाहिँ राइट क्लिकमा गएर प्रोपर्टी हेर्नुस् अहिले हाम्रो बिम 230/350 छ सो चेक गरिराख्नु पर्यो र अर्को डिरेक्सनमा मैले प्रोजेक्ट गरेर यस्तो बनाएँ यो चाहिँ भिडियोलाई छोट
Now, if you see in the plan, we have like projection here, like one. We have the projection all the way. Okay, you can see the projection. If you measure the distance of projection, like I'll keep it. There is someone has like is 2 feet. Okay, I'll keep a 3 feet projection for I assume it. I have of at least assume it's 3 feet. Let's do it how we can do this one. Okay, okay. Just go to the plan. If you go to the plan, if you select this line, okay. Sorry, if you see this line, then edit and exclude into frame. If you click 3 feet, no, 3 feet, okay, 3 feet. If we click here, then number of lines one. Then apply it. It is we have shown it in. We have project our beams this direction. If we want this to y direction, we want in y direction also. Just we'll keep three in y direction also. If we want to exclude for the slab projection, okay, 3 feet, then it will apply it. Apply. So where is apply? Click it and apply it. Okay. I think it's not apply. If it's three, let's see in 3D. Okay. I will select this one whole. I need in whole this one. Okay. Edit. It will not create any problem if you select this line also, because it is going to extrude to the points. So extrude into frame. Pick up to point is you have already pick up, and this is we are going to an x direction. So apply, and we have got our point. Okay. By this way, we can do for uh, this is for level one. Now we are going to do for next level. This one, if we click here, and if we click here, and if we click 0.9144 for this one, apply. Oh, sorry, it click incline. We cannot do like this. So I'll click, I'll click, I'll delete this. Okay, I'll select here just once, one at a time. You cannot do like everything, every or all the points at the same time. Okay, if we apply it, we can get this word. If we click here, apply one purple for the grid, then we can apply it. Yeah, this is for one, this is for all the projection. Okay, don't be confused. This is for only the projection. Next, we have projection in, so the slab will rest on it. If you apply it, you'll get only in the x direction. Okay. Similarly, I select here and I'll write it here 3 feet. Then apply it. Oh my God, what is this? I don't know how it came. I will delete it. I don't need this point. I don't need this point also. Okay. And I will not keep in the I will not keep in the I'll keep in the roof also. Let's do for roof also. I will keep for the whole for the whole roof. Apply. And I want to keep I want to keep this side also, okay? And if I click apply, it will not taking place. Look, if I display it and write minus, it will be here. Okay, yeah. Now I need this one also. For this one also, I need 3 feet. Where's yeah? I think select the multiple point. I'll delete this one and this, and I'll click this for this line also. I'll click minus apply. Oh, I need here also apply. Okay. By this way we can draw the projection of beams so that the slab will rest on it.